Hello student, in the topic stereochemistry, today I am discussing with you conformations of alkanes. In case of conformations of alkane, first we study here general and then conformational analysis. After conformational analysis, I am explaining with you conformational analysis of ethane, then types of conformations, that is eclipse conformation, staggered conformation and skews conformation. After that conformation, I am further discussing with you relative stability of compounds, that is the potential energy diagram of conformations of ethane. Then first point we study here general information about the conformational isomers. We know carbon-carbon sigma bond in ethane. I am showing the structure CH3 CH3. Here carbon-carbon bond is the sigma bond. Carbon-carbon sigma bond in ethane is axially symmetrical. Hence R can easily rotate carbon-carbon bond around its axis without changing the bond angle and bond lengths. This rotation changes the relative position of atoms or groups in space attached to these carbons, giving different structures. The various shapes or structures that molecule can adopt by rotation about carbon-carbon single bond are called as the conformations. Means conformational isomers form due to the rotation of carbon-carbon single bond. Here optical isomer observed due to the presence of asymmetric carbon atom. Geometrical isomerism observed due to the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. In case of conformational isomerism, here rotation around the carbon-carbon single bond. The various structures obtained are due to one type of strain called as the torsional strain, which is repulsive interaction between bonds, that is bonding electrons on adjacent atoms. This leads to restricted rotation. Such interaction is known as the torsional strain. And the angle of rotation about the single bond is called as the dihedral angle, sometimes called as the torsional angle. Means dihedral angle is also called as the torsional angle. This is an important stereochemical parameter used to study the conformational analysis. The potential energy relationship between conformations can be easily discussed in the forms of the dihedral angle, which is the angle generated by two interesting planes. For example, in the Newman's projection of the eclipse conformation of ethane, the angle between dihedral two hydrogen carbon carbon plane is the 0, while in staggered conformation it is 60 degree or 180 degree. The angle of rotation about the single bond is called as the dihedral angle. At room temperature, the rotation about single bond is much faster, that lead to million of different structures which are separated by definite energy barriers. Thus, the stereoisomers separated relatively by low energy barrier that are easily interconvertible at room temperature without bond breaking are called as the conformational isomers, or it is also called as the conformers or rotational isomers or rotamers. In case of conformational analysis, a study of various conformations of compound and their relative stability is called as the conformational analysis. Conformational analysis means different study of different conformations and its stability is called as the conformational analysis. Theoretically, infinite number of the conformations is possible even for a simple molecule. If the rotation about the single bond is free, then the molecule can assume all conformations with complete freedom. There is some energy barrier for such rotation around the single bond and it is not absolutely free. This leads to different conformation with different energies called as the conformers. Then we study here detail in conformational analysis of ethane. Ethane CH3 CH3. Here ethane shows the various conformations due to the rotation about carbon-carbon single bond. I am showing here structure. First is the circle. At the center of the circle, here three bonds I am drawing here from the circle. Three hydrogen atom attached. Here This is the front carbon, that is carbon atom number 1, and behind this carbon atom second I am showing second structure, that is back carbon atom, or it is also called as the rear, REAR, rear carbon atom. Then rear carbon atom, here group attached to the rear carbon atom is written on a periphery of the circle. I am showing here periphery 3 hydrogen atoms. This is the rear carbon atom or back carbon atom in case of a ethane. And first structure C1 carbon atom is the front carbon atom, and group attached to this front carbon atom from at the center, and at the back carbon atom attached to the periphery of the circle. The various conformations of ethane is the best represented by the, this is the Newman's projection formula. Then types of conformation in ethane molecule, two methyl groups, that CH3 are attached by a single bond. Due to rotation about the single bond, it can have two extreme conformation called the, first is the eclipsed conformation, second one is the staggered conformation, and third one is the skew conformation. Eclipsed and staggered conformation, which are obtained by rotating C1 and the C2 bond by 60-degree interval. Means these three conformations are observed by rotation about 0 to 360 degree. Then I am showing you conformations of ethanes. Here three conformations of ethane. I am showing here structures. 0 degree, first A is the 0 degree, means one hydrogen atom, here front 3 hydrogen atom, behind carbon atom, this hydrogen atom behind the next hydrogen atom. Then one A structure is the 0 degree. Then I am rotate first carbon atom kept stationary and second carbon atom rotated due to the carbon single bond. Then after 60-degree rotation, having the structure B, 60-degree rotation, then again I have rotated back carbon atom at 120 degree centigrade, that is structure number C. Then again after 120 I am showing here 180 degree centigrade, structure number D. Here front carbon atom hydrogen atom and back carbon attached to hydrogen atom opposite to the each other, means they two hydrogen atoms are away from each other, is the staggered conformation. You remember that staggered conformation is the more stable conformations of ethane and normal butane, and eclipsed conformation is the less stable conformations because these two hydrogen atoms are come closer to the each other, therefore there is the repulsion. In case of staggered, these two hydrogen atoms far away from each other, and therefore staggered conformation is the more stable. Then again 180 degree angle staggered conformation, 0 degree angle eclipsed conformation. Then 60 is the skew. Here again I am showing the structure number E, diagonal angle is the 240 degree. Then 300 degree structure number F, and 360 degree structure number G. Here structure number G is also eclipsed conformations. Here one hydrogen atom and back carbon hydrogen atom is the behind each other. Therefore I am detail explaining these are the conformations of ethane showing the rotation of 0 to 360 degree by Newman's projection formula. In case of eclipsed conformation, in this conformation the atom or groups attached to near or front carbon, that is C1 carbon atom, completely block the view of the back carbon atom or rear carbon atom C2. In ethane there are the three identical eclipsed conformation A, C, E are the eclipsed conformation occur at three different diagonal angle, that is 0 degree, 120 degree and 240 degree. These three angle structures show the eclipsed conformation. In eclipsed conformation, the adjacent CH bonds are exactly opposite to each other. Thus, when viewed along the axis of the carbon atoms, the three hydrogen atoms of the rear carbon atom will be exactly behind the front carbon atom. In this conformation, hydrogens are closest with each other, hence the highest energy conformation. Therefore eclipse conformation is the less stable. Then in case of staggered conformation, those conformation in which the atoms or groups attached to front carbon atom and back carbon atom appears in the gap between C1 and C2. In ethane there are three identical staggered conformation, B, D and F occurs at three different diagonal angles, that is 60 degree, 180 degree and 300 degree is the staggered conformation. The potential energy of these conformation are less than the eclipse and thus more stable, about 3 kilocalorie. In this conformation, hydrogens are as far away from each other, hence the lowest energy conformation and the most stable conformation. Then in case of skew conformation, all other conformations are referred as the skew conformations. Then further we study here, you again remember that eclipse conformations are less stable and staggered conformation is the more stable, and in between those stability of a skew conformation. Then further we study here relative stability of conformations, that is the potential energy diagram of conformations of ethane. Here graph is plotted against potential energy against torsional angle. This diagram shows the potential energies of different conformations of ethane. Here 0 degree, 60 degree, 120, 180, 240, 300 and 360 degree. Then potential energy on y-axis. The profile changes with energy, maximum peaks and minimum valleys periodically. The diagram shows that staggered conformation has low energy while eclipse has the highest energy. This means that the staggered conformation is the more stable than eclipse one by energy 3 kilocalorie per mole or 12 kilojoule per mole. That is the energy difference between two conformations called as the barrier of interconversion is about 3 calories per mole. This energy required for rotation about the carbon-carbon single bond is small, and at room temperature the thermal energy from the surrounding 20 kilocalorie per molecule is sufficient to cause rapid interconversion of two conformations. At one given time interval, majority of the ethane molecule are found in staggered and least number in the eclipse conformation. In this conformations of ethane, you only remember that staggered conformation is the more stable and eclipse conformation is the less stable conformation. Thank you for listening.